Okay, now in this video we'll make a single stone ring with a twist shank. So we'll get the diamond first, 5.5 mm. Okay, any click has a right click, then I'll mention it. All these clicks are left click. You'll understand when you go with the basic videos of previous. You know how to select and how to drop them. Okay, tools, ring rail. Okay, select this one, move. My ortho is off. I use O spacebar for ortho. Okay, from here move it up 1 mm, 1 enter. Okay, looking down, rotate, F4, make it around 30 degree. Yeah, this is good.
40 degree.
30.
30.
Yeah. Okay, now we have a, we can use this one, custom bread, if you want. Okay, arc from top view, from here to here and here. Okay, make it. Alright, we got this one. Okay, and this is what we need. You can make it half. Let's say I trim this curve, a line, F4, straight down, and then I trim it with trim option, so I have it half. I select this both, I join them, and then I rebuild. You can type here or you can go from here. You can choose it from here. I have a habit of typing, so I prefer to type. Let's take it 7.3. Okay, make sure it's joiner. If you don't join, then you have two curves with each 7 points on it. Okay, so this is what we need. Okay, and good. We have 1/2 rail and it's matching at this end. So what I'll do is F6 profile placer. I'll have a profile at this end. This should be 2 mm and this should be 1.5. Select this one, F6 MSR, click here and make this as 1.5. Okay, I'll make this as 3 mm so we have a good look. 3 mm. Okay, add. I'm gonna have exactly at the mid position. Yes, this is good. So we can keep the same position if we want, or we can minimize. Let's keep it same. If we need, we can change it. So add one more and drag it to the upper side. Now here it should be bigger, you know, covering my diamond, and I use the X offset and I change the profile. This is good. This is good. Extend it. Okay, and that's it. Now select this one, sweep one history. Oh, wrong selection. I selected the rail, so I'll press escape, undo, select this again, F6, sweep one history, this, this, and this. There you go. Okay, it will look good if we just try to twist this profile inside, so we have a good look. So undo, select this one, F6, MSR, a bit, and then inside. This could be more better. Okay, select history, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this looks good. And then select this curve, F6, profile cap, and just drag it out. Okay, this is good. Select these two, join them together. Now I'm gonna use, you can use an array polar to make a duplicate. Center of array polar, F4, number of items 2, enter, enter. There you go. See? Okay, so now we're gonna create a base for this ring. Okay, it seems like the diamond is half, it's not completely touched to the shank. So what we can do is we can change a bit inside, we can move a bit inside the shank, so we have a good fit. Okay, so undo, 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 and just play with the curves, move it a bit up from looking down view, ortho is on, and there you go. Good. Make sure you don't spoil your ring view from through finger viewing, because if you try to move like here, you can see in through finger view the shape is getting changed. So make sure you move up and down. So this is done. You can even add a profile if you want, or you can play with your profile. You can make it bigger and a bit inside, so you have a good hold of your diamond. F6, sweep 1 history, select this, and this, enter. Okay, now you have a good hole inside, you can see from here. Okay, or let's say if you want to play with your profile, you can edit them, get some points on it, select them both, you can erase them with move option and point option on. Okay, the project, now you can off the project, point to point, move it up, and you can move this tree down, move near option on. This is near, I guess. Yeah. There you go. Okay, move near. Okay, a bit up. Yeah. Okay, so our snaps help us to get the perfect position and everything. Sweep 1 history, click here, click here, click here. There you go. Now it's good, it's completely inside the shank. Okay, and finally we make a profile curve. profile cap, sorry. Yeah, select them, join them. You can use Ctrl J to join them, or you can do an array polar, or you can simply rotate them. Rotate command, F4, click anywhere, use the copy option here, and 180, enter. There you go. That's it. It's done. Join them together. Okay. And finally we check some naked edges as it's okay. You can see here it's the profile curve is not in the middle. Yeah, we can see from here it's not in the middle. So what we're gonna do is delete this one and project it. Project to C plane. Delete input, yes. Okay, now it's flat. You can have a look from undue view. You see it was not flat, it was like this, and so when I project it, it's become flat. So when you have a copy to the other side, you have a perfect copy. Okay, now I do a sweep one history. Join them all together. Yeah, and see this time you have a closed polysurface. 4 polysurfaces or polysurfaces join into one closed polysurface, which is a good sign. It should be always closed. If it's not closed, then it means that you have a problem with the object. So this is a perfect design, okay, with no problem. So we select this one, press F6, and then we create a under bezel for this diamond. Okay, now the under bezel will have a thickness of around 0.8. so we select this section, a normal square kind of section, so we have a good view at the thickness. Click on it, make it 0.75 or 0.8 is good. Yeah, this is good. Now let's make it 0.885. Okay, and make sure it's connected to the wall. It is. If it's not, then you can slightly bring it outside and you can have a look from this view. Sometimes you have less, taper like this, so this is not correct. So you make sure it's connected properly. Have a look. Okay, this is better. Bring it down if you want. Okay, perfect. All right, right click, and that's it. A single stone ring is ready. Okay,
we cut here, we can cut here.
you can also minimize the thickness.
Can you
Alright.
show me the
Yeah.
photo? Sure.
You see, it's okay. This is our rail. There's no problem. Okay, that's it. Finally we go to the render image. Render. Button. Okay, we use this one, and finally press this render button.
Right here. So can you show me the photo?
Uh-huh.
So